Dear students, as you embark on your educational journey, you are faced with an important decision, choosing the right stream and subject combination. With so many options to choose from, arts, science, commerce, and vocational streams, along with different subject combinations, it's natural to feel confused and overwhelmed. Perhaps you are considering commerce with math, commerce with economics, or commerce with business, or maybe you are exploring physics with statistics, economics with finance, or biology with psychology. With so many choices, how do you know which stream and subject combination is right for you? At KR Edu Smart, we understand the difficulties you are facing. Our team of experts is here to guide you towards making an informed decision that aligns with your interests and career aspirations. By booking a counseling session with us, you can gain valuable insight into your strengths and interests. Our experts will work with you to identify the stream and subject combination that best suits your unique needs. Don't let confusion and uncertainty hold you back. Take the first step towards a successful future by booking a counseling session with Kia Edu Smart today. We look forward to helping you make the right decision for your future.